Hi, it's John here from Speedy Brick, and a little while ago I interviewed a Lego fan designer, Daniel Helms. I first built his car, which I got from the Block Zone, which I thought was really amazing, lots of cool details, and I had a fantastic conversation with Daniel. And so after that I thought there must be other designers I can talk to, and so I've reached out to a few, and a couple of them have agreed to talk to me. So one of those designers is 3D Supercar Bricks. So you can check them out online, 3dsupercarbricks.com. They've got a great website and he's got some amazing designs. So I reached out to him and agreed to build one of his cars. And what he does is a little bit different. So he actually makes 3D printed parts, and he's got one part that's also molded and does some custom prints. And he makes these just incredible cars along with some custom models as well, which is really cool. So I've agreed to build one of his cars, and then we're going to have a conversation about it afterwards. So I'm going to be building the Koenigsegg One. So I've got the parts coming for that, but he's already sent me his specific parts that he makes. So it's 3D printed parts. So he makes these cool rims in two different widths. He's sent me this nice little license plate with his company name on it, and he's in Holland, so it's a Dutch plate. He's made this amazing windscreen piece, which is really nice shape. And so I think he gets these molded, and it even has his little logo on there as well. And then we got two other little special pieces that he sent. So that's nice. So just got to order the parts. Then I'll be building the car, and I'll make a build video for that as well. And then I'll be having a conversation with him. So keep an eye out for the upcoming interview, and I'll see you soon. Please click to subscribe for more videos and watch my build and review videos by clicking here. Thank you.